My name is Jasmeet Singh. I am doing aerospace engineering at SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Cotton Cloth campus. I am from Bathinda, Punjab. There was a webinar told to us by our college professors. So I have gone through that webinar. It was conducted by CareerLabs only. So from that I got to know about everything, like how they will teach us and how they will help us to make our CV better. So that's why I choose career lab. Yeah, it was a good experience in those tests. Like there, I got aptitude test was also there, logical reasoning was also there, and some engineering based questions were also there. So a person can get an idea like where he is standing from those like floor placements, and for many other aptitude tests, basic platform is that only. So from that, I got some those kind of ideas also. So like where I have to improve and where I'm good in which all areas. Yeah, it was a good experience on a mentor call. I had a good experience while doing a starter pack courses. There were 6 courses in my starter pack courses, like SolidWorks, few were related with CATIA, and one was with robotics and mechatronics. 3 were related to CATIA designing. So with all these, I got a basic idea of different tracks which I can go for, like designing or like robotics. But basically, I was interested in avionics only. So the robotics course was like more interesting for me. I like doing all those things. So that was a good experience. That's why I choose my advanced course also accordingly. As I mentioned, like I am interested in robotics and I want to go for avionics. So according to that, all while seeing all those, I took a mechatronics course. So there I built basically 2 projects were there. One was biped robot and one was a simple robotic arm. So those two helped me to get a good knowledge in robotics field and all those electronics components. So but I wish like I should do some minor project in those. So for that I need help from career labs. Yeah, it was a good experience. Few students are not completely, we are away from those topics. We don't know how, we know like we have to do research papers and all that, but we don't know how to follow the steps. So those steps were explained very good in those research papers, like how we should proceed for the research papers. And one more webinar I have attended for the higher studies, how to choose a college. So like basic steps were told in that. So those webinars are helpful for me. One webinar was on a research paper. So like that have helped me a lot. Actually, I have written a research paper and I have tried to get it published also, but it was being rejected and rejected. So like in that webinar, I come to know about like I should go to any teacher or some industrial mentor. Only with his help I can get it published. Like directly, student can't publish his first research paper directly. That I come to know about that. I have tried for 2 3 journals and it was rejected from those. Mr. Allen is here, so he have helped me a lot. If I'm having any problem, so I contacted him only. Like if sometimes there is problem with server also or any kind of in the career labs only. So if I dropped a mail, like I not got answer for any mail, like reply for those mails. So I every time I contact to him only. Support team, they were also helpful. Like they are replying on time and all that. They are solving my issues. I will recommend him to go for the career labs because here we are getting step by step knowledge, as I have told earlier. So it is very helpful to build a career. Like in the one more thing which I have like, got from career labs was that like many people are having great things in their CVs. Like CV is full with research papers and internships and all that, but they are not in a proper track. Like where they are, what is their goal? Like in which field they want to go. They are not related to that, so that's also not good point for CV. So these type like many things I get from here. So I will recommend others also to go for that.